Hello boys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Now you open your book page number 42. Today our topic making shadow. First of all, what is shadow? When any object that block the light, then shadow fall. Okay. Then what kind of object that make shadow? All object not make shadow. Okay, any object that block the light completely that make shadow. You know that object is called opaque object. What? Opaque object. Some object are transparent. Transparent material don't stop the light. That is called transparent, and transparent material don't make the shadow. Then translucent. Translucent material that block the light half, not complete. After this, opaque material. Opaque material that completely block the light. For example, you can see from your uh, mirror of the car, glasses of the car, you can see outside clear. Okay, so those the screen of the car not block the light and don't make the shadow. Okay, and light pass on. Now which material? The opaque material block the light and then shadow fall. For example, our body, wall, car, metals, wood, all these material are opaque material and block the light and for or made shadow. Now here size of the shadow, okay, and shape of the shadow that we will study today. Shadow have different size during the different times of the day, and it is the size of the shadow also different. It is according to the position of the object and the source of light. Okay, now shadow do not always look like the object that make them. That is different. Okay, maybe same or maybe different. It is not compulsory that it will be exactly same as the object that make the shadow. Or shadow may be different shape, and shadow has no color, and they always dark. Shadow have no detail like eyes or mouth or ears or hair. Okay, this is different. These are about the shape. Look here, here looks like the birds. Okay, they looks like bird, but this is shape of shadow of the hand. Okay, but we can't see, this is dark, no color. Number one, it is not exactly the same as the object that make the shadow. We make different animals with the help of shadow of different objects, and here we make different shadows. Now we go to the sheet. I make a sheet, then we discuss that sheet. Now boys, number one, what is shadow? When an object block the light, then shadow fall. Then size of shadow. Size of the shadow is different during the daytime. For example, shadow is long during the morning and evening. Evening mean afternoon, late afternoon, before the sunset. Okay, the shadow is long, and shadow become long when the source of light low position. When? Why shadow become long? Because when the source of light is at low position, then shadow for long. and shadow is short during the midday, and short shadow become short when the source of light at high position, when the source of light is at high position. During the midday, the position of the sun is exactly on the high position. Then the shadow for short. After this, the shape of the shadow. Now, what is the shape of the shadow? Shadow can be different shapes. Now, shadows have no color, number one, and they are always dark. And shadow will be small when the source of light far from the object. Shadow will be large when the source of light near to the object. And shadow always form opposite direction of the source of light. For example, source of the light on the right side, the shadow will be formed left side. Okay, and if the source of light is in front of you, and your shadow will be formed on behind you. Okay, exactly opposite direction of the source of light. And shadow can be look different to object that for make them or form them. And shadow has no detail. Now boys, here I give you some question according to the information that I give you up first page, and you read these question and circle the correct answer. Okay, and these are multiple choice question, and down these are true and false question. You read the statement whether it is true or false. Two, I read and tell you, shadow can be different shape. Yes, good, true. Shadow have different colors. No, this is wrong, because shadow have no color. shadow Shadows don't have any color, they are dark. This is wrong, like this. Okay boys, you must be read carefully. First of all, you study the first page, then do this. And here, one side I give you the object, and another side I gave you the shadow of that. Then you match the object with the correct shape of shadow. After this voice, this is the same. Also, I give you the shape and the shadow, that you match the correct shape and its shadow. Okay, boys, this is our topic today, and you must be revised carefully. And tomorrow we will revise this again. I will ask you a question about this. Okay, bye bye. See you later.